How to generate Instagram accounts by spoofing device. As you can see, I'm using USA proxy. Next, I will download IGAPK under USA IP address. Then, I clear cache of app first just to make sure. I will show you a little bit about how spoofing device tool work. So this is my phone rent system. You can rent phone and use tool to change info of device. So this is phone in Vietnam, but I already changed to USA SIM info, a network carrier, and some info like IMEI, an Android model. Click create new account, so I suggest create with phone number only. You guys can rent SMS number on many sites. So this is SMS number sites that I rent. The success rate to get OTP is up to 80 to 90%. You can deposit balance by crypto or credit. Choose Instagram service and choose USA number below. Click by SMS. It will send you a phone number. Copy it and paste it to Instagram app. Click next, and now back to the SMS man site to get OTP directly. Then, paste it to verify phone number. Then, create a password. Click next, setting birthday, and continue to next step. Create name and username, and continue to next step. Click agree to policy of Instagram. OK, so that's how we can rent phone and spoof device to create Instagram accounts. If you have a need to rent phone, please send me a DM with information below. Thank you for watching.